Rebecca, Pat.
How does it? Busy. What do you need? Okay. I can't see you. Okay, now I can. Look like she wants to do it. She's actually doing it with attitude. Now Deborah's getting to it. That leaves one person, doesn't it? Look how fine my sisters are, man. Y'all are so sexy. All right, now I see the hips going. That's what I'm talking about, Rebecca. Might I have better see. They ask me how I'll say it's because of you. It don't matter what. There's no limit. I'll give you anything. All I want, trust me. I'll let you right now. No. Oh, okay, what? Bus stop. I'm blessed with life. I'm blessed with life. Does she really do that out there? I ain't thinking of the change, think of the blame, think of the rain. I ain't even thinking of the pain. When I think of the pain, I'm thinking of praise. That's the stop. So come on now with Mary. Yeah, you know him. When you talk about Christ, get to know him. Come on.
Okay. And that was Rebecca with the beautiful hips, Maridana with the attitude, and Deborah, our American non-Haitian sister.